Are you confused over the difference between International Court of Justice, International Criminal Court, and Permanent Court of Arbitration? Are they same or different institute or organization? Several questions comes in mind. What is International Court of Justice? What is International Criminal Court? And what is Permanent Court of Arbitration? When they came into existence, what is their power and jurisdiction, and where are the headquarters? What is the name of the parent body? Don't bother. Differencia is going to make it crystal clear. Let's see one by one. International Court of Justice, also well known as World Court. It came into existence in 1946, just after World War II. It is one of the organ of United Nations. Just after World War II, state faced to have a dispute resolution body with unanimous support. There are 6 organs of United Nations. ICJ or International Court of Justice is one among them. These 6 organs are the General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and UN Secretariat. 5 of them are functioning and Trusteeship Council is now not functioning. The International Court of Justice is successor of the Permanent Court of International Justice, which was established by League of Nations in 1920. After the World War II, both League of Nations and Permanent Court of International Justice was succeeded by United Nations and International Court of Justice respectively. International Court of Justice is located at The Hague in Netherlands. International Court of Justice settles disputes between states and gives advisory opinions on international legal issues referred to it by United Nations. Its opinions and rulings serves as source of international law. Subject matters of International Court of Justice are generally disputes of members regarding sovereignty, boundary of disputes, maritime disputes, trade, natural resources, human rights, treaty violation, and many more. States that ratify the UN Charter become parties to the International Court of Justice Statute under Article 19.3. Non-United Nations member states can also become parties to the International Court of Justice by ratifying the International Court of Justice Statute. Each state must provide consent to any contentious case by explicit agreement, declaration, or treaty clause. If a state fails to comply with the judgment, the issue may be taken to the UN Security Council, which has the authority to review, recommend, and decide upon enforcement. Then, what is International Criminal Court and Permanent Court of Arbitration? International Criminal Court came into existence in 2002. It was created by the Rome Statute. Rome Statute is a multilateral treaty that serves as the International Criminal Court's foundational and governing document. It is not an United Nations body, but it can receive case referrals from United Nations Security Council. Also, it can initiate prosecution without United Nations action or referral. In International Court of Justice, only United Nations member can appeal, but in International Criminal Court, individual cases could also be heard. International Criminal Court is situated at The Hague, Netherlands. International Criminal Code deals cases related to genocide, crime against humanity, war crimes, crime of aggression, and more. If there was already International Court of Justice functioning, then why there is need of a new body called International Criminal Court? We need two different judicial body, International Criminal Court and International Court of Justice, due to the difference in the nature of cases they deal. International Criminal Court and International Court of Justice has different jurisdiction area. International Court of Justice jurisdiction is mainly in civil nature, so it was difficult to handle international criminal cases in integrated manner. Therefore, a body like International Criminal Court was quite necessary to deal such problem. There is difference between civil cases and criminal cases. Civil cases are those in which cases related to restoration of rights and demands for compensation are heard. But while in criminal cases, demand of punishment are heard. Therefore, to deal with the crimes like genocide and human aggression, we need International Criminal Court. ICJ has no jurisdiction over these crimes. Then, what is Permanent Court of Arbitration? Permanent Court of Arbitration is not a court in the traditional sense, but provides services of arbitral tribunals to resolve disputes that arise out of international organizations or private parties. It was established in 1899, situated at The Hague. Notice that all the three international judicial bodies located on the same place. Never get confused between Permanent Court of Arbitration and Permanent Court of International Justice. Permanent Court of International Justice was replaced by International Court of Justice. Permanent Court of Arbitration is still existing one and the oldest one. It is not an United Nations body, but it has observer status at United Nations. It hears dispute of maritime and territorial boundaries, sovereignty, human rights, investment, and regional trade. None of the decisions of Permanent Court of Arbitration are binding on the parties, and there is no mechanism for appeal. International Court of Justice came into existence in 1946, International Criminal Court came into existence in 2002, and Permanent Court of Arbitration came into existence in 1899. International Court of Justice is an United Nations body, but International Criminal Court and Permanent Court of Arbitration is not. Hope now you are clear and know the difference between them. The ICJ, ICC and PCA. Share, subscribe and spread the knowledge with Differencia. Thank you.